Hi guys, I'm back. It's me again, Rocky Villegas TV at Kahigo 695. So guys, itong video na to guys ay sobra talagang matatawa ka dahil sobrang kahit ulit-ulitin mo hindi ka magsasawa dahil the best talagang panoorin to. Ito yung comedy videos na aking paulit-ulit na pinapanood. So wag na natin patagalin to guys. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please subscribe at i-click yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong video natin guys. So wag na natin patagalan. Let's go. Let's watch everyone. One more. One more. So yun guys, yun lamang. Thank you. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please comment down below and please share. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, share and click notification bell for more videos and support na din kay Kahigos. Thank you. Bye bye.